Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to fix touchpad not working, cursor not moving or laptop mouse issues in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Follow step by step. Subscribe to FIXOffice channel for more Windows fixes. Now start. Fix number 1. Turn on touchpad from settings. Go to bottom left corner. Click on Windows search bar. Now type settings. Now click on settings app. Now click on Bluetooth and devices on the left side. Scroll down, find touchpad and open it. Now make sure your touchpad toggle is on. It is off once you enable. Now check cursor. Fix number 2. Enable touchpad from keyboard key. Look at your laptop keyboard. Find key with touchpad icon. Usually on F3, F5, F6, F7 or F9. Now press function key plus the touchpad key together. Now check if cursor moves. Fix number 3. Update touchpad driver. Go to bottom left corner. Click on Windows search bar. Now type device manager. Now click on device manager. Find here mice and other pointing devices. Expand it. Now right click on HID compliant mouse or touchpad devices. Now click on update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. Wait until update. Then close all windows. Check again your touchpad is working or not. Fix number 4. Reinstall touchpad driver. Go to the Windows search bar. Then type device manager and open it. Expand mice and other pointing devices. Right click on HID compliant mouse. Now click on uninstall device. Once you uninstall that device, restart your PC. After your restart, your uninstalled apps is automatically reinstalled on Windows. Fix number 5. Enable touchpad from control panel. Go to the Windows search bar, type control panel and open it. Now click on hardware and sound. In the device and printers list, here with mouse. Now click on mouse and go to the hardware. Select here properties. In the general next, driver is here. Click on it and then here update driver is there. Click once. All completed. Say yes and apply. Press OK. Close the all window. Check your touchpad or mouse. Fix number 6. Check external mouse conflict. If external mouse is connected, remove external mouse from USB port. Now check your touchpad again. After completing all steps, touchpad should start working. If still not working, comment below. Like, share and subscribe to FIXOffice channel for more videos.